In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically stop a scheduled cloud flow in Power Automate. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this straightforward guide will help you manage your workflows with precision. Let's dive in. First, we need to create a scheduled flow. To get started, open Power Automate, and once you're there, look for the Create option. Click on it, and then select Scheduled Cloud Flow. This will bring up a configuration screen where you'll set the foundation for your flow. Here, you can specify your desired start date and time, along with how frequently you'd like the flow to run. Maybe you want it to trigger daily or perhaps weekly. The choice is yours. Once you've made these decisions, click on Create to proceed. Now that we have our flow set up, the next step is to add a delay action. Right after the initial trigger, insert this delay action. But why a delay, you ask? This part is crucial because it determines how long the flow will remain active before we move to the next step. Essentially, you're setting a timer for how long the flow should continue running. For instance, if you want the flow to end after 10 minutes, set the delay to 10 minutes. This ensures there's a controlled pause before the flow proceeds to termination. Following the delay, we move on to adding a terminate action. This step allows us to introduce a safety net for our flow. Place the terminate action right after the delay. When configuring this step, you'll want to set the terminate action to end the flow with a status of cancelled. The reason behind this is simple. By configuring it in this way, you're ensuring that if the flow doesn't complete its tasks within the specified time frame set by your delay, it will stop gracefully without causing any unnecessary errors or disruptions. With those steps complete, it's time to save and test your flow. Hit Save to ensure all your configurations are securely stored. To test your new setup, you can either trigger the flow manually or wait for its next scheduled run, whichever suits you best. As your flow operates, keep an eye on the run history. This will give you valuable insight into its performance and confirm whether it terminates as expected after the specified delay. There you have it, a simple but effective way to manage scheduled cloud flows in Power Automate. By following these steps, you're equipped to enhance your automation processes, ensuring they run smoothly and stop at precisely the right moment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.